arbitrationagreements.org. Welcome, future peacemakers. If you're drawn to resolving conflicts and nurturing relationships, becoming a mediator might be your calling. Today, we will guide you on the path to becoming a successful mediator. Before we begin, please press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial legal topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Now, here's something to consider. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment in mediation and arbitration is projected to grow 8% over the next 10 years. This rate is much faster than the average for all occupations, indicating the growing relevance of this field. But first, let's define what a mediator is. A mediator is a neutral third party who assists in resolving disputes between two parties. They don't impose solutions, but rather facilitate conversations and encourage mutual understanding. So, how do you become a mediator? The journey begins with education. Many mediators have a bachelor's degree in a related field, such as psychology, sociology, or law, but it's not a rigid requirement. Mediation values life experiences as well. Training is a critical component of a mediator's journey. Many community organizations and universities offer mediation training courses, often concluding with a certificate. This provides hands-on experience and introduces students to the concepts of negotiation, conflict resolution, and communication techniques. Practice, as they say, makes perfect. Volunteering at local dispute resolution centers or gaining experience through internships can prove invaluable. It helps to build necessary skills, understand real-world scenarios, and create a strong professional network. While some mediators are generalists, others choose to specialize in fields like family, business, or international disputes. Each area requires a specific set of knowledge and skills. Specialization can provide a competitive edge and may even increase earning potential. Certification is not always required, but it can certainly boost credibility. For example, there are non-profit organizations that offer globally recognized certification. Here's an encouraging statistic. Approximately 85% of all mediations result in a settlement. This illustrates the effectiveness of mediation and the potential impact of your role as a mediator. With time, education, experience, and a lot of patience, you could become a catalyst for peaceful resolutions. The journey to becoming a mediator might not be easy, but the potential to bring peace into people's lives makes it worthwhile. It's your turn now. Go out there and make a difference. Do you need more information and resources about the basics of mediation and working as a mediator? If so, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. Also, what makes you interested in becoming a mediator? Do you have a passion or talent for helping people resolve disagreements? Please leave a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution solutions that can save you time and money.